Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the crossed single crochet or the X single crochet. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, click on the gear icon below the video to slow it down. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive an email when I post a new video. To crochet the X single crochet, I've just gone ahead and worked a chain, and this stitch only really works well when crocheting in the round. So I have a crochet chain, and I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Then I'm going to chain one. And normally to single crochet, you would single crochet like this, but to make an X single crochet, you're going to pick up the yarn from the top and bring it through. And that causes the stitch to turn. So in through the stitch, pick up the yarn from the top, bring it through, and then complete the single crochet. That stitch made its own little twist. So in through the stitch, pick it up from the top, pull it through, complete the single crochet. So I'm going to work all the way around, and then I'll come back and show you what we do at the end of the row. So in through the stitch, pick up the yarn from the top, pull it through, like that. Now I'm going to go all the way around and I'll show you what to do when you get back here. Okay, I've worked all the way around. Now when I get back here, I've worked my last stitch. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now chain one, and in that same stitch, you're going to make your first X single crochet. Into the next stitch, into the next, and so you can see that it twists and forms an X. So I'm going to work a few more rows and show you how it looks. And here's a comparison of how they look. This is just regular single crochets, and this is the little X single crochet. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed learning how to crochet the little X single crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.